This presentation is designed to assist you in knowing how to input data into SPSS for a Kruskal-Wallils test, which is a non-parametric version of a one-way analysis of variance. To begin, we will read this problem and then input the data. You've been asked by the weight loss manager at Mission Slim Possible, a large weight loss center, to determine if exercise type, jumping rope for 15 minutes every day, 1 hour Zumba class twice per week, or walking for 1 hour every day, influences the weight loss of overweight clients. They randomly select 90 overweight clients from the weight loss center and randomly assign 30 to each of 3 groups, jumping rope, Zumba, or walking. After participating in their assigned exercise type for 1 month, weight loss is calculated for each client. Determine if there is a statistically significant difference between the weight loss influenced by the 3 exercise types using a 0.05 significance level. Report your results in APA format. So to begin, let's identify the dependent variable, which is weight loss, and the independent variable, which is exercise type, with 3 levels: jump rope group, Zumba group, and walking group. Now this particular problem would normally be, we would use the statistical method called one-way analysis of variance. But because the data is skewed, and you would have checked that here, we will use a non-parametric test, which is the Kruskal-Wallils. So let's input the data. So we come to our data file, we go to variable view, data view, and then back to variable view, and let's input the dependent variable first, which is weight loss. And we could have inputted the independent variable first, it doesn't really matter, but we will put weight loss first, and we will decrease our decimals. We will not do that. Decrease our decimals. Let's get rid of this clear, and note that weight loss is scaled data, so we will categorize it as such under measure. There we go. Our next variable is the independent variable, which is exercise type, and we will code these as 1 for jump rope group, 2 for Zumba group, and 3 for walking group. But let's first put the independent variable, which is exercise type, which describes these 3 levels. Then we will decrease our decimal, go to label, go to value, and we will type a 1 for the jump rope group. Add that. We'll type a 2 for all the members in the Zumba group. Add that. And we will code 3 for all the members in the walking group. So 3, and then we will add that. So now we have our variables, but first let's come over here and note that the different groups that are coded with different numbers are nominal. And now we are ready to input our data. Let's begin with weight loss for the jump rope group. We will copy that and paste. And then the exercise type, which is coded, the first group is coded as a 1, the jump rope group. We will code that as 1. Type a 1, copy, highlight, and paste. Then we will input the weight loss data for the second group, which is the Zumba group. Oops. Let's get all of it. Copy and paste. We will code this as 2. paste. And now we will finally enter the weight loss data for the walking group. Which is coded as 3. So 3, copy, and paste. And now we're ready to run a Kruskal-Wallils test.